Yeah, hello fans. Welcome back. This is Humble FX again, and this is the platform I introduced to you guys the other time yesterday. All right, so we see. I want to update you guys on how it works and all that. So this is it. When you log into your account, if you are registered, this is your home page. If you are not yet registered, check on this on the video description. You will see the link to register. You have to do that very fast so that you don't miss the bonus of registration. All right, so if you register and you come to this page, I told you guys the first thing the first thing you do is to uh, verify your account. First thing you do is to verify your account. All right, so that your account will not be deleted when it's time. So you click on this place like I told you. If you know what if you know what watch that video, check. There is a link that pop up now on this video. Watch that video and you will see how I did it step by step till I finish. So let me just glance through it. Now you click on that place, you click on this stuff here. You see that, you see personal information, you click on that. We did this yesterday on my own account, and you see here my own is approved. We did it here on my own yesterday. You saw it, and it was pending, but here it has been approved. All right, so you come here and you click on this something here, and you put in your document, maybe your ID card details, and it will verify you after some times. So once you have done that, you can click on your assets. Sorry, you can click on assets here. See assets here. You can click on assets. So if you click on assets, you will see the money that you have already. You see what you have got, what they have given to you as a. I told you guys, yeah. If you click on assets, you see now I have $10 here as my bonus of registration. The money here, I did not fund it. I got it as a first. See it here. So this money that I have here, because it is here, I wait for my account to be approved. Now my account is approved. I can come and click on mining. Okay, click on mining, and it will take me to the next page of this page of mining. Okay, I will come here and I will click on mine immediately. All right, you see, I'm purchasing mining power of 1, and it's for 1 day share. So if you want to buy a bigger mining period, you can actually buy more. Look at this, mining days. This one is for 7 days. So if you get more, if you can if you can fund more coin here, you can buy bigger mining power. But then you might want to just buy the first one. Yes, don't buy, just buy this one only. Buy this one with the money that is in your wallet that they gave to you. You click on mine immediately. You put in the amount, put all $10. Yeah, you click on submit. All right, you see I've been purchased. I've purchased that mining power, maximum purchased. Okay, I think I purchased it, Abby. Let me confirm. If what you have to just do, maybe it's network, I don't know. If I click on that, I should be able to purchase this. All right, so if you purchase that, then you start, your mining will start. You start mining with the money that they gave to you for free. So, and guess what, if you refer anyone in this platform, once they register in this platform and their account is approved, you are going to get 1 USDT instantly. Okay, you're going to get 1 USDT instantly. So try to what's it called, verify your account and then let it be approved. Okay, so if you're not approved within some hours, you join the group. I'll paste the link of the group in this video description. Join the group, their groups, and then contact the admins and send in your dashboard to the person, the admins. Then your account will be approved. It's simple as that. Don't miss the opportunity for any reason. And something, don't miss the opportunity for any reason. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Okay, so that is that about that. So when you click on Money is where you buy it. Asset is your money you have. Income is the money you have made so far, and that is that. Simple as that. You don't want to just be, don't look at it, don't ignore it. It's very, very important. All right, guys, if you have any question, you can contact me on my Telegram handle. I will attend to your question. And remember, I still need your help financially, so you can still check the description to send in your help in anyhow, any amount that you think you can afford. Let me use it and see how I can stand up again. You could say I'm not trading for some time now because of that case, that issue. So I'm still expecting your help. It's very important, very, very important and urgent. Thank you so much for your uh, for your help in advance. Appreciate.